Hello friends, welcome again today. Today we are going to draw a very cute and wonderful flower. Are you excited to draw a flower today?
Yes.
Awesome. Alright, so let's start. Let's draw the vase first. So draw a straight line like this. Awesome. And then just curve it a little bit like this. Come down.
Okay.
Draw a little bit of a curve and come down a little bit, not too much. The same you do for this side. A little bit, curve it and come down. You need to come down to the same line so that you can join them together.
Like this?
Yeah, join it together. Awesome. Alright, so here, let's draw off a straight line that goes up like this. Okay, and just give it small thickness. Also go up a bit. Awesome. And from here, let's also give another line that goes up like this. The same line like this. Great. And then from here, a little bit above this one, just give another line as well. 2 lines. Wonderful. Now let's draw a flower here, a sunflower. So starting from here, watch and see what I'm going to do. I'm going to make a curve like this. Another curve. Another curve. And I'm doing it, I'm going round. Round. Okay. And then finally I'm going to come back here. Okay. Oh, that's funny. Then at this middle, let's draw a big circle. A very big circle. Draw a big circle at the middle. Awesome. And from here as well, let's do the same. Make a curvy round circle. You have to curve and go round. Go round. Go round. Are you there? Awesome. And draw the big circle. Great. And then we do the same. Yeah, we do the same for this one. Go round. Round. And if you happen to touch this other one, okay? A circle to awesome. It's so fast. Alright, so let's make this. Let's give this sunflower some funny face.
But I already drawn it.
Yeah, let's give it funny face.
Can we draw it inside?
Yeah, no, just watch. Give it big eyes, and then the mouth. Give it a smiley. Are you seeing what I did? Awesome. And the same for this one. Also do an eye and a smiley. And the same for this. Awesome. Wow. Okay. Alright, so let's color it. It's a sunflower.
Can we not color inside it?
We are going to color, don't worry. So, get your yellow color. See your yellow color here.
I'm not getting the yellow color. I'm just getting the color to close the pencil.
Okay, that's fine. So let's color the yellow. Just color only here. Don't color the face. Color only this side.
I'm not going to color it when we're all done everywhere.
We are going to give it another color, yeah. Alright, are you done?
Yeah.
When you're done with this, you color the other ones. This other one.
I want to color this one, not that one.
Okay. This sunflower is so happy.
It's so sad.
It's not sad.
Yes.
Mine
sad.
is not sad.
Yes.
Maybe yours is sad.
No, yours is sad.
No way.
Yours is
I
sad.
disagree.
No,
Mine is
yours
so happy, having a smiley face.
No, yours is sad.
Mine is not sad, so mad.
Yes.
Maybe yours, not mine.
Yes, mine is not sad. Yours is sad.
Oh. Are you done?
Yes.
Are you sure you don't have lots of white spaces?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe because yours was small. It's small, I mean. Yours is small. Your hand is paining you again? Oh, sorry. It's hurting you? Sorry. Someone injured her fingers.
That who was dangerous.
Yeah, that's sorry.
Yesterday, the eye light was not on, and then I was watching, and then my hand got hurt.
Sorry.
I'm already done.
Alright, so let's color this orange. Is that orange?
Yeah.
Alright, sorry, I got red. Orange, okay. Alright, let's color this.
Is it red or orange?
It's orange. You are using orange, aren't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't color the eyes. We are going to do eyes another color. So this is
I'm done with
flower.
I'm done with the face.
You're done with. Oh, somebody's so fast. I'm still doing one. Well, I'm on the second one, but you're already done.
Yeah, because my face is tiny.
Your face is small.
Yeah, that's
That
why
is
I'm already done.
That is one is big.
Yeah, your face is big. My face is tiny. That's why I'm not done.
Oh, that's awesome.
Now I'm gonna color my own. Be ready.
What are you coloring? Brown?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can give it brown. The stem. That's fine.
You did not do yours one yet.
Are you done with your stem?
Yes.
So let's give the eye. Let's put a black color in the eye. Just give this eye.
Dot.
Not really that, but
And my eyes is too tiny.
yeah, just give it a dot if yours is so tiny. It's okay.
I'm already done.
Alright, so which color do we give our vest? This vest?
Purple.
Purple? Alright, awesome. So you can go ahead and give it purple
But
color.
what about oil? Oil is in the pot.
Oil?
Yeah.
It's not oil that is there. What is there is
Good.
soil or dirt, whatever you call it. It's a
Dirt.
soil because the flower is growing on a soil.
It needs to be soil, but why is it not soil? I'm already done.
Already done.
Yeah, you did not do yours. That's why I'm already done. Yes.
Alright, this is awesome. Alright, so let's put some leaves.
Look how my temperature is.
Use the green. Use the green pen. Let's make a leaf.
Wait, why do I have both of these colors?
Yeah, you have mine. One is mine. Okay, let's go ahead. Let's make a leaf here. Just at the back here,
I thought
we'll draw something like a leaf.
I thought we're going to do it outside.
Yeah, the leaf is by the side. That's right. So make a leaf, yeah. Okay, and make one. Yeah.
A lot of leaves. Can we make this like 2 leaves?
Yeah, two. It's okay. It's okay. Alright, that's awesome. So let's draw a line in between the leaf. Your leaf should have
a line.
Yeah, like this. You make a leaf.
Many leaves don't have a line.
No, most leaves have the middle lines like this.
Oh, but after I'm done, nothing.
Okay. Not too much.
I'm already done.
Selma, you're not starting it from. Your leaf should start from the bottom. Your leaf, you see, your leaf have to start from the stem. Okay, that's awesome. And this one, you didn't put on the side of the line.
Funny.
Awesome. Are you done?
Yeah.
Alright, so can we give it a green color?
A green color.
Yeah, let's use
No
this.
leaves have green colors.
Yeah, leaves have green colors. So let's color it.
I think they just have that color.
Leaves have green colors. That's why they are leaves. Green vegetables.
Daddy, I'm coloring on the black. Green don't get black dirty.
It's okay. Just keep going. Okay, let's keep going. Wow, this is a very nice sunflower. It's looking awesome. You know, we have a sunflower outside our garden.
A sun.
Yeah, it's there.
I'm already done.
You're done. Wow, so
You have
fast.
one more.
I have one more to go because my flowers on my leaves are very big. Wow, this is awesome. Wonderful looking, beautiful flower. Alright friends, thank you so much for being with us in this video. I hope you enjoyed our drawing. Summer, what do you say to your friends?
Subscribe to the channel and see you next time. Bye bye.
Alright, thank you so much. Please do subscribe. See you and bye.
Bye.